and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
We're
therapist.
the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course,
And
Bob.
we're joined today by Jake Claver.
Yes.
And Jake is a nurse at one of our facilities where we work at, and he is also a fitness guru to a large extent, and he's a boxer. He's been boxing for a couple of years now. He's got his first fight coming up. When is that happening?
Hopefully in May.
Hopefully in May. And he is formidable. I mean, when you see him working out, he scares the pants off me.
Yeah,
So-
and he's been doing some serious training. You've got two boxing coaches and a trainer, personal trainer working with you.
Yes.
And he's highly motivated, fun to work with. But before we go any farther,
I should say
Bob,
the title. I haven't even said the title
Oh,
yet.
yeah.
Brutal HIIT workout, fat burning kickboxing workout at home. It's 5 to 20 minutes. Set your goals. Oh, that was part of the. That wasn't even the title, I suppose.
No, we can put that in there, Bob. But yeah, the whole idea is that depending on how fit you are, how aggressive you are, it may take 5 minutes or you may go up to 20 minutes with
Sure,
this.
but this one will get your heart rate up, and Jake's actually got a heart rate monitor on, and we'll show proof of that at the end of the video. And he's got his app set up there, so we can actually see what his heart rate is at as a percentage of maximum. But by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. You want to also join us on our social media platforms. We're giving away something right now. I don't remember what, but look at it and go into our Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page and join our contest. So.
Right. We are giving away a lot of things this year.
All right, Brad.
All right.
So you're gonna. He's hooked up to the. By the way, the wall anchor, and he's got body elastic bands. He's hooked up to the ankles, and he's got the arm one. So he's
got
ready to go.
resistance on both his hands and with the kicks. So this is something that anybody can do. We're going to do some real basic techniques. We are using the resistance bands so that you're going to get more strength, more speed, and your heart rate's going to go up with less work, so to speak. It's actually going to be, Jake will let us know how much he's working.
So he's at 64%, 65%,
Right.
66%.
Right. And, you know, we just did a video with him doing some shadow boxing. Maybe he's a little nervous.
No, plus he was working out before we started.
Sure, yeah. So he doesn't have a true resting heart rate, obviously.
He's down to 63 right now. He's calming down.
Okay. All right. So,
All right.
Oh, we're still zooming on it. What about me? I want some attention. Jake does too.
Are we ready or not?
Well, no, we're going to talk about some training here.
Oh, okay.
So we're doing HIIT training. We're going to start, in theory, at a resting heart rate. You warm up for 30 seconds. You want to go 30 on, 30 off?
Yeah, we can
50-50. Yep, and that's a good way to start. And then after 30 seconds of high intensity, which is going to be doing a jab, rear hand punch, back leg front kick. So anybody can do this. You just have to practice. Do like this. And, you know, Jake is not in karate. I was for 17 years. So this is a real basic technique. But he's doing really well.
Yeah, he's doing real well.
I spent just a couple minutes with him, and he's falling right into place with it. So
Sure.
After 30 seconds of high intensity, you got to have a clock for this. You should have something with a beeper. Bob's going to be watching for us. He's going to be our
the
beeper. Jake normally does this. You have this on an app, right?
Yes.
So, and it works beautifully.
Yes.
So Bob's our app today.
Yep, I'm the app.
We're going to
Good
watch
for
his
something.
heart rate.
He's down to 60%, by the way, now.
In theory,
59.
in theory, we'd like to get up to 90% at his peak, and at the rest period, go down to 60%.
That probably is not going to happen. I think we talked about he needs longer rest period to get down there.
And that's what you do. You just practice. Start out at 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. If you need longer rest period, you go 60 seconds on or 60 seconds off. Or you could go 30 seconds on, 60 seconds rest.
Sure.
That can vary depending on the individual. Yeah, Jake, are you ready?
Yeah, you want to start at 15?
At the 15?
Yeah.
Sure, go ahead.
At 15 seconds?
Shh.
What are you talking about? Oh, at the 15. Gotcha. Okay, I gotcha.
Yeah.
So he was down to 57%, by the way.
Okay, good.
So that's 15 seconds.
Good
15
job.
seconds left.
Now, if you notice, Jake is doing a really nice job of breathing. Every kick, every punch, you should breathe out with it. And he's got that down from his boxing background.
3, 4, 45, and rest.
30 seconds. How you feeling,
Yeah.
Jake?
Good.
Good.
Feel real good.
So
Good.
he got around 79%, 80% here, and it's interesting. Again, once he stops, it still climbs up a little bit. You know,
Yeah,
it's just
so there's a lag in the
there's
heart
a little bit
rate.
of lag. Yep.
Yep, and that makes it kind of interesting. So you got about 12 seconds to go, and we'll go
Yep.
again.
He's back down to 79% now.
And if you want to make it a little more aggressive, he gets farther away from the wall with the bands. and
3, 2, 1, and start again. So
there you go.
this is fun. We don't have to work out. We don't even have to break a sweat. Oh yeah.
Good. It looks like I see a little effort on his face. It
Yeah,
looks like
he's
things
going
are
up to 82%.
82%.
Yeah.
Good. And what do we got for time left on this?
We've got 5 seconds left.
Okay, good job, Jake.
1,
Nice
2,
breathing. Good
3,
work.
4, and rest.
And break.
So 84% right now. We'll see if he goes up to 85 with resting here.
Now, right now, Jake has his left hand forward, his left leg forward, and he's doing the same punch. Now, ideally, you'll switch and you'll go right hand, left hand, and kick with your left leg so that you balance out your extra. Is there any problem with that, Jake?
Are we doing one
I
more?
wouldn't-
One more, Bob.
We'll do one more. Yeah, we feel good. Why
Yeah.
So, but I won't change my stance because that'll throw me off.
That's
I'm
fine.
orthodox. I don't want to switch to
That's
southpaw.
fine.
So
Well,
I'll
we
just
want-
And go.
Go ahead. We don't want to have anything unorthodox.
So
that's for
interesting.
sure.
He was at 83% upon starting.
Okay.
So again, he didn't recover much because he was talking for one thing probably.
Right. Yeah, that makes
So-
a big difference.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, so now he's using the front leg front kick on there,
So
which
he's
is
got
just
15
fine.
seconds left. So 10 seconds
There you
left.
go. Nice work, Jake.
5 seconds left. He's at 86% on the one there. So he's 87%.
Should we go up to 90?
88%.
Let's give him the
Yeah,
90. There
that's
you
it.
go. Work it out. Let's see if we can get to 100%. There you go.
100%,
He's picking it
yeah.
up.
So he's past his time limit.
We're just having fun now.
Yeah, we're really having fun.
You want to take a break?
89%, 90%,
90%.
91%.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
So, all right, we got to have, this is the eye candy for the ladies. So
Well,
we've gotta
before,
have-
can we just ask him one question?
Sure, ask him a question.
Jake, now you're a boxer, and we just did a video with the bands with the punches, and we added the legs. Did you find a big difference with the resistance on the legs and the kicking as far as general fatigue?
well, with the steps, it's working my hips
Okay.
Sure.
and my inner thighs. And I have
Sure.
to maintain that balance, but just that resistance from my legs. Because when I take one step, I want to bring the other one close.
Sure.
Sure.
Yep.
Maintain my stance so I can't
As far as
get
the
pushed
kick
over.
itself,
Yeah.
are you feeling things any differently?
Well, the kicks are challenging.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you probably feel it in your core a little more too.
And you
Maybe
have to
it's
set, you have to plant that foot before you
Oh.
can kick.
Right.
Sure.
Sure.
Because of the resistance. So
Sure.
I would throw the punches
Otherwise, you get pulled back.
and then get set before I
Right.
threw that kick.
Sure.
So as therapists, we're thinking, hey, that's good for balance. You're working more
Right.
core. It's giving some benefits in regards not just to the sport, but just being stronger and more balanced wise and whatnot. So,
All right, let's just take a vote out there. Who wants to see Brad with his shirt off?
oh,
No, you're okay. Jake, it's deferred to you. So yeah, watch your microphone here. To get his mic, Brad.
wow, what do you want me to do with it?
Move it out of the way.
Oh, whoa. Oh, it's in your, there we go.
You'll take it down through, or take it up.
We're all connected here, Bob. This isn't.
No. This will work.
Oh,
Hold on.
yeah. Tease him a little bit.
Yeah. Give him time. You don't want to. You don't want to jump right into it. All right.
1, 2, 3.
There's
oh.
the monitor, and he's got a little ink on him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Give the pose down. Come on.
Yeah,
Let's see what we
Come
got.
on, show that tattoo a little
Go to the
bit.
back version. Turn around. Show those calves.
Jim Rat Jake.
Jim Rat Jake. There we go.
Oh,
All right.
he's a ham.
Yeah, good thumbnail we're going to have there. So, all right. Thanks, everybody, for watching.